Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to use the Mycelium wallet. Mycelium wallet is a well-known Bitcoin wallet that offers strong security, advanced features, and a user-friendly experience. Only about 8% of Bitcoin owners are estimated to keep their coins in complete safety and privacy. There are hundreds of Bitcoin wallet apps. Most wallets are custodial. Therefore, not secure, not private, and not independent. Even if a wallet is non-custodial, it may still not be secure. Only reproducible wallets are completely secure. With Mycelium wallet, you avoid banking nonsense, payment cannot be reverted, suspended, or declined. Account cannot be blocked, no cross-border control and fees. Storage is secure and free. No subscription fees of any kind, no payment limits, and no minimum daily or monthly amounts. It is you who assigns the minor fee in each case, so be careful. If you offer too much, you spend too much. If you set the fee too low, you delayed your payment. The app offers several standard options, but you're the only one who make the decision. Mycelium does not touch your money. It is only a relay between you and the Bitcoin network. There can be no fundamental Bitcoin failures, but things can slow down and your wallet may be out of sync for a while. On the other hand, custodial wallets, those that explicitly stand between you and your money, do not solve the problem entirely anyway. If you use centralized exchange to buy Bitcoin, withdraw your assets as soon as you buy them. You do not control your coin there. Bitcoins are likely physical coins. That's why crypto exchanges are vulnerable to outright robbery. The relevant regulation is inadequate. In case of hack, no reimbursement of funds is guaranteed to you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.